Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Adam with Two Dudes Picking. Gary and I had a great picking day today, and for some reason it's unusual because in this area it seems that the hurricane that hit a few months ago, maybe actually it was probably back in January, seemed to really have a kill on the number of goods that were actually donated to the places we like to shop, such as Goodwill, Salvation Army, and Valley Rescue. So it's been really slow the first half of this year. But today we walked out with arms loaded, which hasn't happened in years. And I wanted to show them all off for you right now. So this is gonna be awesome, okay? So let's start with this. I found a black Columbia padded vest for ladies. Good news is price tag still on. So I looked it up and it's going for a regular price of $60. I will list it as new with tags for at least $40 and try to get that. This is a brand I'm gonna take a shot on. I've never sold before. Charles Tyrwhitt. Tyrwhitt. Charles Tyrwhitt. It's a dress shirt line of clothes, and I had never heard it before, so I'm kind of skittish. I look them up, and they're selling for at least $19.95 plus. Larger sizes are going for more. I found their website and they're having a massive sale on all of their dress shirts that are regularly priced at $110. The sale brings them down to $69.99. So I figure a pre-owned, dry cleaned, look, I got two of them. They're the exact same size, so I'm assuming they're from the exact same person. And this one has the dry cleaning tag still on it. So I'm figuring I'm gonna list these somewhere between $20 and $25 and try to get these. I only paid $4. No special pricing here. And then another Lacoste polo. You already know how I like Lacoste and how I can smell the real versus the smell and stank of the fake. But this Lacoste polo cost me $4. It's a size 6, European size. And it's the legit thing, it's real. So I'm gonna put it up for $19.95 like I do all my others. And when I say like all my others, check this out. I actually mean like all my others. These are all the Lacoste I currently have going and listing on my eBay page. All of them. $4 I paid for, $19.95 is what I'm selling them for. So that's what you call easy money right there. I have now this was special price and I usually stay away from Under Armour, but this is a very special situation here. And that's because it's not your typical compression shirt or heat gear shirt. This was special priced. Let's see here, $7. It's got the American Under Armour logo on the front with the American flag look. It says, "Protect this house" on the side of the hood. The hoodie itself is in great condition. It's polyester, no holes, no stains, no picks. Nothing's wrong with this at all. It has been worn. I can tell by the fleece on the inside looks and has appeared as it has been not only worn but also washed. No problem, because hey, this is eBay. I'm going to be able to list that easy for $35 and make my money back. That's everything I got at Goodwill today. So moving right along, I also want to show you a few things I picked up at Ross today. Check these out. Nike Alpha Menace football cleats, all right? This was a bit of a stretch for me. Unadventured territory, I guess you could say. I don't typically like to spend so much up front for not a guaranteed sale. So I bought these cleats for $20 at Ross and I'm listing them for $59.95. If I make that sale, that means the fact that I bought 3 pair in total, sizes 10, 10 and a half, and 11, That'll make up for it. So what I'm going for here is I spent 60 and I'm hoping to get 180. So I see it that way. I spent 60 to get 180. I'm not looking at it as I spent 20 to get 60, if that makes any sense. Alright. Oh, I forgot. I did get this. 2 more things I found at Goodwill today. A Nintendo GameCube. Now, I have already plugged it in, hooked it up to the TV, and it works. It has no games to go with it, but it does indeed put a picture on the screen and the controller works. It allows me to navigate around. But the GameCube, I paid $16 in its current used condition. I'll get at least 65, but I need to do a little bit more research to see if there's any way I can get a little bit more than that. But I'm at least gonna start at 65. And the big kahuna for the day. This is a vintage, I guess you could say, because it's a 35mm Canon AE1 program camera. It came with 3 lenses and a bag, but I was very surprised when I looked this up. In tested working condition, even though it's used, if you've got at least 1 lens, it's going for anywhere between $85 to $140. And that, you know, being vintage, being used, there's a wide range. But I've got 3 lenses in the bag, and that's gonna help me increase the value. I'm gonna start it around $130, and I'm just gonna see where it goes from there. There you go. That's all I got at Goodwill and Ross today, and this great pick and this wonderful day that we had today. So let me know down in the comments. Have you picked anything up recently? Have you found a treasure? Come on. Don't forget to send us your emails to twodudespicking@gmail.com and follow us on Twitter at the same handle, @twodudespicking. Y'all have a good one. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.